see, 10.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hit it.
Oh, fuck.
100, left 5 plus,
we just did
150.
again.
Yep. Small crest, yep, into right 4. So this is a right 4. Into left 6 over crest, 100. Then right 6 very long, 70. And left 4 very long, no cut, 50. Then right 5 plus, 300. Get your window.
Hold on. I can't get right now.
70, then slowing right 5 long into left 3. No cut, opens. $70 now, right 5, 70. Then left 6 plus, into small crest, into right 5 plus 30. Left 5 minus, no cut, 50. Then right 5 plus very long, 70. Cattle guard 30, loose starts to right 5 plus 200. Left 4 plus, no cut, long and loose, 250. Right 5 plus long, 30. And left 5, tightens 5 minus, no cut. So this is left 5, tightens 5 minus, no cut, into right 5. It's going to open and tighten back to 5. Into left 5, opens and tightens to 4 plus, no cut, 100. Then trust, left 6 over small crest, 200. Right 5 short, tightens to 4. Into left 5, 30. Then right 6 very long. And kinks over 250. Right 6 long, 150. Then left 5 minus, no cut, 100. Then left 5 tightens to 4, no cut, then opens. Into stay left over small crest, 100. Then right 5 plus long, no cut, 30. Stay left over small crest, 100 again. Then left 5 plus over small crest. Into right 6 long, 120.
Left 5.
Correct. Right 6 long, 120. Then left 5 very long, no cut, 70. Then left 5 plus. Left 5 plus. And right 5 over long, small crest long, 200. Stay flat over that crest, 180. Then right 6 long, 120. Then right 6 plus into left 6 plus, 200. Then flat long crest, 300. Then right 6 plus 50. And slowing right 6 into left 5 minus long, 250. Right 4 minus long, 30. Left 3 plus, no cut long, opens. Left 3 plus, no cut long, opens, 50. Cattle guard onto tarmac, 50. Then care crest, 20. Trust, turn, right 4 onto gravel, 150. Right 6, 30. Left 6 long, 50. Fast left 5 minus over small crest, 30. Right 6 very long. Small crest, 100. Then right 6 over small crest, no cut long, down, tightens 5 plus, 30. Left 4 plus over crest, no cut. into right 5 plus long, into left 5 over crest long, over a second crest, into right 5 plus, 100, left 5 over small crest, no cut, 30, right 6 into slowing small crest, 30, right 4 plus, no cut, left 5 plus, over small crest, tightens, over another small crest, no cut, 70, right 4 long, 30, small jump into left 5 minus tightens, then opens over crest, 30, right 3 plus. It's gonna tighten, then open, 30, right 3 plus, 30, left 5 plus, very long, 50, then left 5 opens 50, then right 6 tightens over small crest long, 70, right 6 tightens over small crest long, 70, then left 6 plus tightens over small crest, 120, right 6, and long small crest over 70 into left 5 plus over crest, 100.
Left 5 over this crest?
Yes, 100, then right 6, 300, stay left over small crest 50 and right 5 plus over small crest 300. Small crest 180 and right 5 plus long 200. Stay right over small crest 120. Then left 5 plus very long, no cut, 70. And left 6 plus, no cut, very long, 30. Then left 5, no cut, opens. This is your left 5, no cut, opens. Right 6, 300. Right 6, 300 to finish, 100. Then right 5 over crest. Into left 6 plus. Nice job, dude.